Mistress!
I'm Ate Reg.
My name is Marico.
And I'm Mia.
Well, importante sa amin ang eyebrows because especially we're entertainers and lagi kami nasa stage. So, napaka-importante na ang kilay mo is laging perfect. So, medyo mahirap especially kapag on the rush ka dahil hindi minsan pa nagkakamali ka ng pagkaguhit mo, buburahin mo na naman, another guhit na naman hanggang hindi mo siya na-perfect. So, iba talaga kapag perfect at maganda ang eyebrows mo.
Yes.
And siya yung pinakamahirap gawin kapag nag-makeup ka.
As a celebrity, syempre, even kahit walang show, on a normal day, kailangan makikita ka ng tao na maayos yung itsura mo.
Yes, you have to look always presentable to
Producers are everywhere.
Truth.
And the sari-sari stores
Are
everywhere.
Kagaya ko, ang work ko kasi is an impersonator. So, kailangan every single detail ay makuha mo siya, makapture mo siya. So, napaka-importante ng kilay kasi yan ang nag-define ng face ng isang tao.
Oo, tsaka diba kahit hindi gaano ka detalye yung makeup mo sa ordinary day, basta't maganda ang kilay mo, perfect na perfect pa rin tignan talaga ang itsura ng isang tao.
Correct. You can go out anytime you want, basta perfect ang eyebrows.
Oo.
Kasi naman sa panahon ngayon pretty looks talaga yung number one.
Oo.
Marami kasi mga gumawa na ng mga eyebrows, pero yung iba kasi after how many years, nagiging green.
Oo.
Instead of yung natural colors na gusto mo talaga ma-achieve, hindi na-achieve.
Because pretty looks is the best. When it comes to our eyebrows, we only trust the masters.
We only trust
Pretty looks.
Spy on me, baby, you're a satellite. Infrared, see me move through the night. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. Baby, you can turn me on. You can give more when I count up the score. You can turn me upside down, inside out. You make me feel the real deal. And I can give it to you anytime because you're mine. Ow!
Laban! Oh, bawal. Basta yun.
Hindi ako yun